Do you know how to create a heartbeat? I mean, using HTML and CSS. Let me show you how. I want to create a div called wrapper. Inside the wrapper, I want to create a container div. And let's go and import the font awesome because we need to use the font awesome icon. Here you go. This is what we have. Now let's go to style.css and then write our CSS. So I'm going to put some preset here. So basically what we have here is the padding and margin resetting for each element. And then for the wrapper, we are just giving full width and height of the screen and putting the content in the center by providing flex, display flex, justify content, center align item center, and also container that has the heart font awesome. We have placed the font size 100 pixel to increase the size, and the color is red. Now let's add a new heartbeat class. Let's go to HTML and add heartbeat class here, and let's go back to CSS and then select the heartbeat class. And I want to add the animation called heartbeat, and it animates in 1 second for infinite time. Now let's create a keyframe. Let's call it heartbeat. And here, remember, we always have to have an initial state and the end state. So we're going to create a multiple state here. So at the 0 second or the 0% of the 1 second, let's pass transform scale 1, keep the same size of the icon as it is. And now 20% of the time, when we reach onto the animation cycle, let's do transform scale 1.3 times. For the 30%, transform scale 1. That's our second heartbeat starts here. So the first two is the first heartbeat, second is now for the second heartbeat. So the 40% transform scale 1.3 again, which is the 30% of the previous one. And now 50% state, let's pass transform scale 1. So now reset the phase of the 100% goes back to transform scale 1, which is exactly same as 0. Look at that heartbeat beating. There you go, guys. Now you learn to basically create your heartbeat. And you know, you can increase the heartbeat by speeding the time. Try it out and let me know in the comment.